In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up your payout methods so that you can actually start paying your commissions to your affiliates. So what we're going to need to do is add a payment method and a couple of integrations. So let's go ahead and navigate to setup over here on the bottom left-hand side. Then we're going to come to e-commerce and we're going to come to payment. Now we're going to go ahead and add a payment method. And for this example, I'm just going to use a cash payment method. So it's going to be a manual one. And I'm going to select all of my currencies and I'm going to hit save. This payment method is going to allow me to demo all of this in the system for you, but I'm going to show you how you can set up some integrations as well so that you can pay out to your affiliates. So perhaps you want to pay out to your affiliates using something like PayPal. To do that, what we're going to do is navigate to integrations over here on the left-hand side. We're going to go ahead and add our integration, and I'm just going to go ahead and call this PayPal. And I'm going to make sure that it's active, and then I'm going to search for my integrations. I want to use the PayPal integration. I'm then going to enter my client ID, which you'll actually get from your PayPal account, and your client secret key, which you'll also get from your account. Now, because I'm working in a demo system, this integration isn't going to work, and obviously this isn't a real PayPal account. So I'm not going to hit save because it's just not going to work in the system, and I'm going to hit cancel. But if you want to set up your PayPal account, this is how you're going to do it. So I'm just going to hit cancel and you would hit save, and then your integration will be set up and you'll be able to pay out your commissions to your users using the PayPal integration. Another way that you can pay out to your users is by using the Wallets app. So to set up the Wallets app, you're going to navigate over here to the marketplace on the bottom left-hand side. And you're going to enable the Wallets app. So the Wallets app is going to let you provide secure e-wallets to your contacts. And that's going to help you do a lot of things like simplifying refunds, your commission payouts, which is what we're setting it up for, and a whole bunch more. So we're going to click Learn More, and we're going to go ahead and say Install for free. So now that we've got our Wallets app enabled, any contact in your system will be automatically assigned a wallet, and you can view those wallets over here. So you'll see Betty White has immediately got a wallet. Something else we're going to need to do to accompany our wallet app is to set up a Wise integration. So to do that, you're going to do the same thing, navigate to setup, go to integrations, and add your Wise integration. You're going to search for the Wise integration here. You'll fill out all of your details. So you'll grab your API key from Wise, you'll put it in here, and it will grab your profile information and account currency, and you'll be able to select which currencies you want to pay out in, and then you'll go ahead and hit save. For the same reasons as the PayPal integration, this Wise integration is also not going to work, so I'm going to hit cancel. But that is how you can then set up your payment methods so that you can start paying out those commissions to your affiliates. So now that we've set up our payout methods and our integrations, I'm going to show you how we can finalize our compensation plan. So let's navigate over to the network area over here on the left-hand side. And we're here in our payout section. This is where you're going to view all of your payout information. So anytime a sale is made and affiliate needs to be paid out, you'll be able to see that information here within the payout section. But we're going to come here to our setup. And we're going to come here to our cycle settings. So you'll be able to set the cycle period. You can choose a monthly type or a weekly type. If you choose the monthly type, you'll choose which day of the month you want it to be paid out on. If you select 31st, it will always pay out on the last day of the month. It doesn't matter if there's 28 days in the month, it will choose the 28th day to pay out on, for example. And if you choose a weekly type, you'll choose which day of the week you would like your users to be paid out on. So we're going to stick with a monthly type on the 31st. Then you can choose your default sponsor. So you could set Betty White as the default sponsor, but we're just going to leave it blank. And honestly, for your basic compensation plan, you can leave the rest of this alone. You don't need to do anything here. You can just leave it as is, hit save if you've made any changes to your cycle period, and you're good to go. So now that we've set everything up, we can go through the full process from grabbing that link, going through the purchase process, and seeing how that compensation plan actually works in the back end of the business. So we're going to go through that in the next video. I'll see you there.